Hello guys, today we practice this conversation. I'm going to read this conversation for you one more time. Please repeat after me. Hello, how are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. How about you? I'm good, thank you. How is the weather like today? It's rainy and cloudy today. Do you like rainy weather? No, not really. I like sunny weather. Please practice this conversation at home and I'm going to ask you the same questions tomorrow. Alright, we also watched a video about Raphael and the questions were what does Raphael do in his house on quarantine? That was question number 1 and that is how he answered this question. I do house chores. I do house chores. Or you can say, Raphael does his house chores. Also, he said, I wash my dishes. I wash my dishes. Raphael washes his dishes. Raphael washes his dishes. He also said, I clean my house. I clean my house. You can say, he cleans his house. He cleans his house. Good. He also vacuums his house and he watches TV. Or as he said, I watch television. Television. TV. He vacuums his house and he watches TV. He watches the news and movies and he listens to music. He watches the news and movies and he listens to music. He studies English online. He studies English online. He works out. He works out. The next question he answered was, what is your favorite weather? What is his favorite weather? And the answer was, Raphael likes cold weather. Raphael likes cold weather. The third question was, what is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? And he answered this question like this. The weather is cold and cloudy today. The weather is cold and it is cloudy today. All right. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.